Everyone, so today I'm going to be looking at Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. So like you do get a lot of eyeshadow. So I think like full price, I don't think I would buy it. Like I think it's a little bit expensive. But for $23, like hell yeah. So just going in and swatching it. There's Treasure, Escape, Tiki, Heat Wave. There's Malibu, Rays, Compass, and lastly, Jewel. So definitely Tiki like blends into me, so this is gonna be really a neutral palette. They're not too bad, right? Like, I like them as shades. So I do kind of wish there was more than like one matte. Like I wish it did have kind of like a darker matte in it. So I think all palettes should have like a light matte, a dark matte, and then from there that is okay. So not necessarily a white and a black or like a cream and a black. But I'm gonna go into Tiki and blend it in my crease. I think I'm gonna really saturate Jewel on top and then just kind of brush it out. So I am going to grab my all-nighter spray. And just kind of a flat eyeshadow brush. And really pack on the color. Really soft, so don't press necessarily too hard. And then just with a tightly packed blending brush, I'm going to go into that color. And kind of buff out my crease. And then with a very loose blending brush, I'm not even going to go into that color. I'm just going to bring that crease shade up higher. And then I'm going to use Tarte's Lifted mascara. So this one is like a brown shade, because I think this is like a nice natural look. I know it's metallic-y, but just something simple. So this is a dark brown mascara. So here's kind of my eye look with it. So I think it's something really nice, light, and airy. You could kind of, I just like to kind of darken my outer corner, but I think like that could easily be done with like a liquid eyeliner or kind of the little darker shade there. But I think this is just like, if you're looking for a nice neutral, for this being on sale, it's well worth it. And I do find I have worn this prior to, and it did last me the whole day, so durability is there, which is always great to see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye.